Hey everybody, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. I hope you like this upcoming video, but do me a favor, like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we do other videos. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, in this video we're going to show you really quick the results of An Easier Way to Trade starting from February 6th until today. I think today is the 15th of February. I hope everybody had a great Valentine's Day. Guys, we're super excited about what we have with our new EA. We think we have refined it and got it it is just amazing, guys. So we're going to show you really quick where we started. We actually started a small live account. Wanted to see what it would do on a very small live account. I think we started it with around $70, guys. $70, something like that. And I'll show it to you. Took it on up to $143 today off of 30-cent and 40-cent trades with our EA. Minimal management, guys. We're super excited. The FTMO account, we're in the process of doing a 200K FTMO account right now. In 2 days, over $7,700, guys. It profited over $1,000 in less than a week. You're going to see the results, guys, over this thing. Hopefully we'll pass the FTMO today. If we do, we're going to come back with another video, show you the results on that. Guys, sit back, put seatbelts on, and get ready and look at and check out what we have right here. Okay, now as you can see, this is a live Hugo's Way MT4 account. $143 closed out total profit today. Gonna show you how we did that, guys. Super excited. All right, from February 10th, if you look at the top, February 10th down to February 14th, yesterday, $66, guys. $66 in total closed out profit. We're super excited. As you can see what we closed out at, 143 right now. We wanted to start a small account and just see what we can do with the EA on a small account, see if we don't blow it. So they're going to show you how in this video right here. See, as you see, you know, we're toward the end of it right now. We're at 120 some dollars, $126 I think, and then we're going to start closing out trades and say, you know, take our profit for the day. You know, we can manage this thing and take our profits. Now this is our FTMO account, guys. 2 days. As you can see, we're not past it because we've only been trading it 2 days right now. Maximum loss, maximum daily loss, we're there. Look at the total profit so far in 2 days, $7,700, guys. We get another 3 days and we've been past this thing. But I think we're gonna go ahead and pass it today. Just gotta wait the time, right? Just gotta wait the time and see. Look at that. You know, guys, we're trading. We had a total number of 49 lots, 7 trades, and look at that equity right there. 77.29, average profit of $1,000, guys. We're at 85% win rate. We are excited. We are excited. The EA is kicking butt. You can see this is our demo account, guys. We started this account, as you see, on the 7th of February at $1,000. We are right now with this account at $2,053. This is our running trade right now, guys. We're excited about the EA. The demo is killing. So from February 7th to today, guys, we are profited over $1,000, right? So the EA is crushing it right now, guys. It is crushing.